Santa left some more.
Really?
This one was for Andrew. Look, and this one's for Lulu.
No.
This one's Andrew's.
Andrew, we got another gift.
Can you open your other gift?
Can you take your other gift, please? I can't hold it.
Yeah.
Wrapping paper. Yay, wrapping paper! There's no way.
The other side might be easier to open. I opened one side.
I know what you got, Amaya, by the way.
¿Ah? No, ahora mismo. Yeah. There's one side that should be easy to open already.
Hey, what is this in here?
You got it, baby.
Looks like a big roll of wrapping paper. Oh my gosh.
I thought we were sold out.
Santa got you a what?
What? Open this thing. It's 32, but it'll work. No way. Amaya. What'd you get? Canex. What is it? Wait, what is it? 28?
All you ever wanted, right?
Yes! I got
I
20.
know.
Yes!
Nice.
I would have been happy with just this.
I know.
And the shoes. Wait, let me see yours.
That's awesome, dude.
Ooh. Look at this. Look at the size of this bat thing.
Now the batting cage will be put to work too. Nice. We gotta fix it up too. We gotta fix that
Oh,
up.
yeah. I'm not hitting with this in the batting cage. You're
No,
crazy.
that's for a gamer, but
Yeah.
I mean, you still need to practice so that you can hit good with that bat.
Well, this one's heavier, so it might be a bit. But
It's fine. You are gonna get older.
oh yeah, no, for sure. This is my favorite gift. I'm out. Fine.